Hey everybody, I'm Danjo. High five. I gotta go on a little errand today, so I figured I'd take you guys with me. I've been thinking a lot lately about my channel, and ultimately I've been trying to think about what am I passionate about and what do I want to gear my content towards. Hello, sorry, excuse me. Sorry, hello. It's always a bit strange, some guy just talking to themselves. I understand, it's a little off-putting. Anyways, like I was saying, I am passionate about photography. I love the visual storytelling aspect that photography has. Like, you know, no two people can ever look at something the same way, but when you look at one of my photos, it's essentially like you're looking with my own eyes for that one brief moment. I think that's pretty cool. Tried to find a slightly quieter spot. There's no right or wrong time to think about these things. In fact, you probably should be thinking about them way more often than you do. Not only am I passionate about my own art, I'm passionate about other people's passions. I'm gonna continue making videos about my photography and all my travel experiences, but I think I'm also gonna try to incorporate a little bit more encouragement for you guys, because I want us all to keep creating. And I think that the more all of us create, the world will be a better place, genuinely. That being said, I'm actually going on a special errand right now to help me stay focused on my goals. Let's go. Oh man. It's almost so cool, almost. I'm not entirely certain where I'm going. I think the store is in here. I looked it up. Oh, yeah. Very angry chef behind me. Staring into my soul. Right here. There we go. I found it. This is a bookstore. You'll see. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Alright, so I've done my errands. Now I'm gonna go home and talk about this stuff where it's a little bit more quiet. I need your help. I need you to give me a high five. That way I can go home. Alright? You ready? High five. Whoa! Can't believe that worked. That is way faster than walking. Okay, now that I'm home, I'm gonna set up some stuff and then we'll chat. We'll chat. Just give me a second. Woo! Alright, so let's have a chat. Oh, wait, give me a second. Cool. So, what did I buy? I got a notebook. I got some markers. Why? I kind of realized recently the importance of goals. That I'm a firm believer that what you think is what you will work towards. So if you want 1 million subscribers, you need to be thinking in ways of how am I gonna get 1 million subscribers? So I've bought this journal, write out in big bold letters, different dreams and goals that I have. I'm gonna put it in a clearly visible spot so that I can look at it every day. Even if I only see like the first page every day, a visual reminder of the things that I want to accomplish. And I want to encourage you out there, if you're watching this video, to do what you're passionate about, to go out there and take a step every single day to work on your dreams. I'm gonna really try my best to encourage those of you that are watching to really create and go out there and make the things that make you happy. Nobody else is gonna make your art for you. You kind of have to do it yourself. So let's do it together. Drop your Instagram names, drop your YouTube channels into the comments below. Let's go ahead and start to connect. I'd love to support you and have your support as well to see us all grow together. I think it's important for all of us creatives out there to encourage each other. If you like this video, slap that like button in the face. Subscribe if you're not already. I'm gonna be putting out a new video every single week. If you made it this far, thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to spend it with me. So I hope we could spend some more time together. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!